Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Arpita's Journey. I hope you all are doing really well and are safe. So like I had mentioned in my last video that I will show you how the Preethi blue leaf mixie works. So here I've brought a short demo or a short video for you. So I thought that since I'm going to show you what I'm grinding, I might as well share the process to make this as well. So to begin with, I'm going to first grind dosa batter. This is the rice that I'm using. This is dosa rice. You can also get idli rice and use that. This is the bowl I'm going to use for measurement. So I'm going to take 2 bowls of this rice, and in another dish I'm going to add 1 bowl of urad dal. Urad dal is what is used for making dosa, the batter. So now I'm going to soak both of them for some time. You can soak it for say around 5 to 6 hours, but I'm putting it in the morning and I will grind it at night. So here is the mixie. I'm going to add the jar to it. Please make sure to lock it properly. I'm going to add the rice to it, and to the rice I'm going to add a little bit of water so that it makes it easier to grind. In between, you can stop and open the lid and check the batter to see whether it's in the right consistency that you want. If it isn't, you can close it and continue to grind it till So now the batter is ready. It is ground very well and it is very fine. So I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put it into another dish. And in the same jar, in the same mixing jar, I'm going to add the urad dal to grind that as well. So these are the levels at which you can grind. I'm going to grind it on 1 first for some time, and then slowly I'll add it to 2 and then bring it back to 1. Now here again you can see that the urad dal has also been ground well. It is very fine and it is a very fine paste. So I'm going to add both of them. I'm going to mix both of them together. Now that the batter is ready, I'm going to close it and keep it. If you can, please keep it in a warm place for it to get fermented well. Next thing I've tried is strawberry milkshake. So let's see that. So I'm adding around 10 strawberries and I'm going to add around 4 teaspoons of sugar to it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of milk also. add in a little bit more of milk, that now that the strawberries have got ground well. Since the strawberries are a little sour, I'm just going to add a little bit of fresh cream to it. If you want, you can also add vanilla ice cream. That will also give a good taste to your shake. So this was a 3-in-1 combo for you all, a demo for the mixie, preparing dosa batter and strawberry milkshake. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, please press the like button, the subscribe button, and please share the channel as well. So till we meet again in the next video, keep spreading lots of joy and happiness. This is Arpita. Bye.